In this video, we're going to look at these problems on page 12 of the 7-2 slides. First problem, a pair of fair dice is rolled. First, calculate the probability that the two dice show the same number, and second, calculate the probability that the sum of the number on the two dice is 6. Okay, well, there are 6 ways for the dice to roll the same number. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and so on. So and there are a total of 36 ways for the dice to be rolled, which gives us 6 out of 36, or 1/6. That's A. In our second question, we're asked, what's the probability that the sum of the number on the two dice is 6? Well, let's figure out how many ways there are for the two dice to add up to 6. We could have 1 plus 5, or 2 plus 4, or 3 plus 3, or 4 plus 2, or 5 plus 1. And notice we count both 1 and 5 and 5 and 1 because in one case the 5 is on the first die, and in the other the 5 is on the second die. So we see that there are 5 ways out of 36 for the dice to have a sum of 6. So 5/36 is our probability. In our second question, we're asked to consider the experiment by Everbright. What is the probability that the prototype car will travel more than 150 miles on a fully charged battery? Okay, so if we come back here, we can see that the probability of 150 to 200 miles is 100 out of 200, or 0.50. We'll write it in terms of a decimal ultimately. For the probability of, back to the, so we want there. I'm gonna, the probability from 200 to 250 is 40 over 200, which is 0.20, and the probability that we're going 250 or more, or rather technically this would be just more than 250, that's 16 over 200, which is 0.08. So if we add up these probabilities, the probability of going 150 miles or more than 150 miles, is 0.50 plus 0.20 plus 0.08 is 0.78. So about 78% of the time, the car will go more than 150 miles. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, please get in touch.